guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my Shein haul. Okay guys, so all these things here are full of clothes. So it's a haul that I made from Shein, and I'm so excited, and I decided to share it with you guys. So in this video I'm gonna share with you guys the things that I got from Shein. Okay, so let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I got is this one here, and this is leggings, and mostly the trousers that I got are leggings. Okay, so they are not jeans. I'm obsessed and a fan of leggings, but it's not that I don't like jeans. I like jeans, but I'm a fan of jeans leggings. Okay, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you guys this one here. So this one right here, I got it, and I really like it. The quality, the design, and all of that. I'm so loving this color. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I'll also wear it to show you guys how it looks like on me. Okay, so if that makes sense. So the number 2 cloth is this one here. This one right here. Okay guys, this one here is not a high waist, but the other one that I should just showed you guys right now is a high waist, and I'm so obsessed with this. So if you are new to my channel, this is the second time I'm doing a fashion haul, or I'm doing haul. The first one I did was AliExpress. That was 2 years ago. So this is my second time of doing this kind of a thing on my channel. So, and here I feel like this, but one thing about it is that it's not a high waist leggings. Okay, so it needs something, it needs long cloth to cover up, and as you guys can see right there, it's so beautiful. Okay, so another thing again I got is this one here. This is kind of a kind of sports wear. Okay, I can use it to do exercise, and as you guys can see, it sees through here. It sees through, and it's beautiful. So for the very fact that they are stretchy, that's what I really love about them, and I am so obsessed with it. So all these leggings you guys are seeing, they are all size S. So they are not M, they are all size S, and trust me guys, they're gonna be my size. So the next one here is this one and this right here. So I'm gonna show you guys the side. So this one here guys is turtleneck, and as you guys can see, it resembles more to this very cloth trouser that I just showed you guys. So, and it's very long and it's beautiful, and I'm obsessed with it. It's also turtleneck. Okay, you can say round neck or anything. So the next one I want to show you guys is this one. So this right here is my army wear. So I really like this one here. So as you can see, this right here is turtleneck, and I'm obsessed with this. So the thing is here is that they are size M. This one and the other one is size M. Okay, so I am really loving it. So moving over to another one. This one here is, let me open it. So this one here guys is also turtleneck, and the color is so beautiful, and as you guys can see right there, it's long. Okay, it's long, it's not short. I'm obsessed with high waist leggings with this kind of tops, because if you wear, you need to cover up. Okay, so that's basically it. So the next one here is this one. So this one right here is so beautiful, and it's stretchy as well. So but the thing is, it can see through. The quality and the design are really pretty. Okay, you can tell from the, you can tell they It's so pretty. So another one that I'm obsessed with again is this one here. So let me show you guys. Oh my god, this right here is also size S and it's stretchy, as you guys can see. And this here, I really like it because it's high waist too. And I'm gonna show you guys again. And why do I like it? I like it because of the color and because it's high waist. So another one again is this one here. Okay guys, this is not round neck. This is basically normal wear, normal clothes. Like I can wear it in summer, but the rest of the tops I can't wear it in summer because they are winter wears. So here I have this top, and which is great, and it's little kind of big, and I don't know why, but I think I like it because of the way it is. Hopefully I'll see how it looks like on my body when I try it out. So over here I have this one here. Oh, this is kind of sweater, okay, and it's also round neck. This is not normal wear, it's only for winter. And as you can see right there, you see that is great, and I really like the color. Okay, it's great. It can prevent cold from. So the next one over here is this. So let me just open it. Oh yeah, this one here is also turtleneck and is long and little kind of big. Okay, it's size M, but I think is little big enough. Okay, that's the correct word. That's it. So, and it's long, it can cover up, and it's beautiful. All right, as you guys can see right here, it's really great. And another one again is this one here. Oh my god, this one is just see me through. This one sees so much, as you can see there. But the quality though, the quality is great, and I really like it. But it needs like cover yourself before you wear this one. So that's what this one is all about. So the last one inside here is this. This one is kind of my country's flag. Is green, white, green. So why I was obsessed with this one is that I can really wear this, okay, both in winter and in summer. But I think it's basically for winter, for summer, or for primavera, which is spring. I think it's for spring or something like that. Anyway, I can wear it once I have my jacket on, then so this one here is green, white, green, and I really like it. When I wear it, I'm representing Nigeria. Okay, and that's basically it, guys. That's all I have for the shopping haul, the winter shopping haul. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe in the subscribe button, and I will see you all